Go ahead and let the air out of your tire. Now we're going to pop the bead from the rim. But your pry bar on, just push it down. Should separate it. I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom side. Just pull up to make sure it's all released. I'm just going to use some soapy water. Spray around there. Makes it a little more slippery. Now we're just going to get your tire irons and pull the tire up over the wheel. Should come off pretty easy. Once you get here, you can just pull the tire off. Now just take the bolts out of the bottom. I'm going to take the fender off. Make sure you hold the wheel here so it don't fall like I did. Now that the fender's off, you can just put it back together the way it came apart. Here's the zip ties I used. We're going to need 4 of them. I'll have links below on everything I used to do this. Now you want to put them on at like 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock position. Just put them on loose for now. Now we're going to push it down so the 2 beads are touching, and we'll pull it tight together. Pull the zip tight. Do that to all 4 of them. Make sure they're all pulled together tight. Should look like that where they're all together inside. Now we want to make sure we have the tire going the right way. Don't check it with the other one. Now I'm using WD-40 to just spray a little bit on there on both sides of the tire. Makes it just go on a little bit easier. You could use soapy water too if you needed. And just push it on. Make sure you keep the one end inside the wheel. There you have it on. Now we just cut the zip ties off. Once you cut them, you can just pull them out. They'll pull right out. Now I'm pushing the bead on the back end of the tire. Just make sure it's sealed up. Now we just hook up the air. We're gonna put the tire on the bead. on the wheel. There you go. Once you hear the pop, you know it's set. There you go. I put like 80 pounds in here to get it set. Then I let the air out from there. There you go, as easy as that.